welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to introduce you to the latest collection of lip colors which L'Oreal have recently introduced. This is a signature collection. There are 12 new shades in this. There are warm shades, there are cool shades, there are brighter shades also which you can wear it for your any kind of party look. The shade which I am wearing is 105. And the texture which these creamy lipsticks are having it's very soft, it's very creamy, it's very light. You never feel like you are wearing a lip color. So I'm going to show you now the texture of this lip shades. So now I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to use this beautiful shade 105 on my lips, and you can see the creamy effect which I am getting it on my lip. Soft, it's so light, you never feel like you are wearing anything on your lips. I'm liking it so much and I hope you will like it too.